Hello guys, I'm Hari and my friend Asif. Today we are going to show how to remove an CD drive and RAM. Come on, let's go.
Okay guys, this is the Surac Mini laptop. Now I'm going to remove and replace the RAM and the CD drive from the laptop. So the screws are already removed from the laptop. We'll show you the screws.
Oh, here. Okay.
Okay. Now I'm going to remove the cover. Before that, you want to remove the
Battery.
fan. So push this button gently and remove the battery. The battery has been removed.
Oh yeah.
Okay. Now you want to remove the upper cover from the laptop. Yes. The upper cover has been removed.
Yes.
Now here is the hard drive, but it's the damaged hard drive.
Oh yeah.
So you can remove this and keep it safely there.
Okay.
Now this is the CD drive I have discussed about. And this is the CD drive and this is the RAM. We are going to remove. Now the CD drive is connected to the motherboard. The CD drive is connected to, and we want to remove the CD
Screws.
drive. So before that, you want to remove the screws. I have already removed the screw.
Oh,
Here
yeah.
you can see a slot. Here you can see a hole in it. Here when I removed the screw. Here where I removed the screw here. So you can gently pull and take off the CD drive.
It's an old version.
Yeah, this is an old version. You can take off the
Okay.
CD. So second off, we are going to discuss about how to remove a RAM. So here you can see two silver slots here one and here two. Now gently push it to the right here and to left here. So
Oh yeah.
here the RAM will be coming
Awesome.
up. So
It's look like
yes, sir, it's like a video game. So
yeah.
you can gently remove this RAM. Here you can see the yellow color slate on here.
Yeah.
So I have a 2 GB RAM. I've
It's
fitted in.
2 GB
Yeah,
ROM.
yeah, I have 2 GB RAM, and it's capable of loading 2 RAMs in a single slot. So we can insert the RAM here also, and you can insert the RAM here also.
There are
So
2 slots.
yeah, there are 2 slots, and it's a 64 GB capable of here. So
Oh yeah.
now we have removed the CD drive on the RAM. Now I'm
Next
going
we want to
replace the
replace.
CD drive inside.
Oh,
So
yeah.
this is the CD drive that we have removed. So
That is
before connecting the CD drive,
There is
you
a slot.
must be careful of these wires. So
these wires are very important.
yes, if it is disconnected, the laptop won't work. So here you can see the plug-in. So
Yeah.
you can see the holes. So this slot here you can see the slot is connected to the motherboard. So we are gently inserting without damage and gently pull this. So gently push. Now the CD drive has been inserted.
And we want to replace the RAM and
Yeah. Now I want to replace the RAM.
Yeah.
So here there are 2 slots.
we want to connect this only
Either-
first slot.
No,
Oh.
either slots we can connect to
Oh
this.
yeah.
So here you can see the gap in between.
Oh,
So
yeah.
here you can see this
The gap
Small
is
gap.
connected with
Yeah.
this one.
here you can see a slot, simple black
Yeah, this
slot.
is one. Yeah.
So here this slot you want to connect. If you connect the RAM here,
there is a wrong.
yes,
This is a
wrong.
wrong
This,
way.
this is wrong way. This is how this
This is
this
wrong
slot,
way to connect this
Yeah.
slot.
yeah, this cannot be inserted. So turn your RAM and connect this gently off. The yellow slot, this yellow slot cannot
Oh,
be
yeah.
seen
The
when you
gold
are
slot
how
will be
inserted.
inside it.
So it will be connected fully inside.
And
So
gently push.
now you cannot see the yellow slots here.
Oh.
So want to gently push it off.
Oh yeah, it's
That's
very simple,
Yeah,
man.
it's very simple to insert the CD drive and replace it the CD drive of RAM. So thank you for watching this video. Now
And once again, wait.
yeah. It's want to
Replace.
replace the hard disk now.
This is the damaged hard disk, I think.
Okay, so all the things has been inserted. So,
Okay, thanks.
so thank you for watching the video, guys. Thank you.
This is Hari and my friend Asif.
Thank you, guys.
Okay, guys, but don't forget to subscribe it.